Hello guys, welcome to a new easy tutorial video, where today I will show you how to create a cinematic logo reveal in After Effects, like this one. So let's start. First, let's import the files we need into After Effects. You can download the full project and the files from the link in the description. Create a new composition and name it Logo Reveal. I'm using the full HD 1080 pixels preset with 30 frames per second and 10 seconds long. Create a new solid and name it Background. I am using a dark gray color, but you can choose any other color or background image. Drag your logo into the composition, right-click on it, and pre-compose it. Name the new composition, Logo. Don't forget to check this option here. Go to the Effects and Presets panel and search for CC Light Sweep. Apply it to your logo layer. Now let's customize its settings. Change light reception to cutout, width to 200, edge intensity to 25, and edge thickness to 2. Now let's animate this effect. Click here to create a new keyframe, and drag this anchor point around here. Move to the end of your timeline, and change the anchor point position to somewhere around here. Make sure your logo is not visible anymore. Click Q on your keyboard, to display all the keyframes. Select both keyframes and click F9 to ease them. Open the graph editor, and drag these handles like this. This is how your animation should look like. Let's change the texture of our logo. To do this, drag your texture file into your composition, then click here to make it invisible. Go to the Effects and Presets panel and search for Texturize. Apply it to your logo layer, and change its settings like this. Change texture layer from None to your texture image. Set light direction to 0 degrees. And texture contrast to 1.5. As you can see, our logo has a nice texture now. Move to the first keyframe, then select your logo layer and click S to open the scale. Click on this stopwatch to create a keyframe. Move to the last frame of your composition, and change the scale value to 80%. Select both of your keyframes, and click F9 to ease them. Now let's create our final text. I am using Montserrat Ultra Light font, with these settings and a light gray color. Align your text, then move your cursor to 6 seconds on your timeline. Click left bracket on your keyboard, or simply drag your layer here. Go to the Effects and Presets panel and search for Random Fade Up. Apply it to your text layer. Click Q to make your keyframes visible. Grab this keyframe and drag it to 6 seconds and 20 frames, to make your animation more dynamic. The final step is to drag your sound effect into your composition. Let's check our final result. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial about how to create a cinematic logo animation in After Effects. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe and comment. See you soon.